The core advantages of wet dog food pouch packaging machine lie in their high efficiency, high precision, and intelligent operation. The following are their main advantages. 1. High efficiency and high-speed production, with a single machine speed of 30 to 60 bags per minute, integrating bag making, filling, and sealing into one unit. 2. High precision. The weighing module is highly accurate, with an error controllable within plus or minus 0.5 grams, ensuring consistent weight for each bag. 3. Good sealing quality. It has a good heat sealing effect and can be integrated with nitrogen filling function for preservation, making it suitable for dog food with high oil content. 4. High hygiene standards. The machine is mostly made of food-grade materials such as SUS 304 stainless steel, which are corrosion resistant and easy to clean.